pledge of commitment to the League of Bangsamoro Organization. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I, as an appointed of the League of Bangsamoro Organizations, solemnly pledge to uphold the sacred trust bestowed upon me with sincerity, integrity, and unwavering dedication. I commit to serving with justice and wisdom, upholding the values of unity, accountability, transparency, and ensuring that my actions align with the mission and vision of the League. Guided by the principles of Quran and Sunnah, I vow to lead with wisdom, consult with humility, and strive with collective welfare of the Bangsamoro. With Allah as my witness, I take this solemn oath to faithfully discharge my duties, defend the cause of the League, and work towards peace, justice, and prosperity for all. So I pledge, so I commit, shall fulfill, inshallah.